Where's Let Me Film? That's my roadie. I don't remember what that is. That right there is my mini rose. Those are my succulents. I don't remember what those are called. There's my little tomato plant. And zooming again. What are you doing, Susan? Are you peeing on my rose bush? Zoomy! You fucker! Oops. I just recorded that. Look at that. She's covering it up and everything. I wonder why my roses are fucking dying. Where's my froggy? Whoa, someone just flew onto the fence. You see her? So. Hi, so. What are you doing, down cat? So. Gotta see how tall this plant is if I can get the whole thing. See it? Oh, look at them, it's trying to itch. Oh, there's Key. Hi, Key. What are you doing, Key? Key? What? Oh, come here, Key. I fall over the freaking fence. Key, come here, Key. Come here, Key. Hi, Key. Hi, Key. That's Venice just kidding. Hi, Venice. So it's your kitty. Key girl. Hi, Key. Key. Zivers. Okay, let's go to the backyard, y'all. That's our garage. The Nova is sitting in there. Isn't it bloody lovely? Oh, look at Key. Hi, Key. Look at Key. She thinks I'm talking about her babies. Okay. See the truck hiding back there? Come here, beast. Can't run from me. Look at that. She's got a wheelbarrow stuffed up her ass. Poor truck. Huh. So. Look at that. Zoomy is that close to Key. My beautiful bloody truck. We're just seeing how long we can go on this damn camera. See, that's our ugly tree in the backyard. And that's the new building in our backyard. Somebody's fucking house. This is my lovely green grass. Venice going in the bushes. Oh, Key just got Nishan. Hi, Nishan. I got Nishan. Nishan. Go get her, Nishan. Get that damn Key. Nishan. What are you doing? Key, leave her alone. Cat fight. I'm getting cat fight. Nishan, get her. Nishan. Nishan. Can you see the holly tree there? Oh look, Bruce goes potty. Hi Bruce, you're on TV. T-girl. You gonna go poop? Get her, Tommy Zone. Get her, Tommy Zone. He's fine. He's fine. That's Lucius Kitty. So. Come on, so. Get her, Tommy. So. He's hot. There's Beast. Oh. And a blowing garage. Isn't it lovely? Whee! So? The grazing dog and her cat.